As we enter, we first have our living area, and the kitchen space is designed in such a way that this is going to be your master bedroom.
Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I'm Niklas and today we will be doing a tour of the villa of Aditya Ram Palace City by Aditya Ram Properties Private Ltd. The project is located in Akarai, East Coast Road, ECR, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surrounding of the project. As you can see, I am standing at the exact location of the project, and this behind me is the marketing office, and that is your land parcel. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platforms where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. Now, coming over to the project overview. You see, Aditya Ram Palace City is an ultra-luxury place themed residential villa project which is built on 17 acres of land parcel with 130 plus villas, offering premium 3, 4, 5 and 6.5 BHK luxury villas planned within a gated township. Now, coming over to the amenities part, there are 35 plus amenities in this project offering palace-inspired luxury lifestyle with 11,000 square feet premium clubhouses and swimming pool, fully equipped gymnasium, amphitheater, a salon with spa, landscape gardens, and 24/7 security within a gated community. Coming over to the location part, as you can see, I'm standing at the exact location of the project, which is located in Akarai, East Coast Road, ECR, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Right in front of your gated villa community, you have your Aditya Ram Palace as well. And this side of the road directly connects you to your main road. Now, the nearby connectivity, the Charlotte Mellon Moon bus stop is only 1.5 kilometers away. OMR IT corridor in Thorai Pakkam is also only 7 kilometers away, and the Chennai International Airport is 20 kilometers away.
Now, we will be doing the actual villa tour for Aditya Ram Palace City for 4 BHK, and the configuration for that is 2,400 square feet. As you can see, I am standing right now exactly outside of the villa, and first, right beside of your villa, you will have an open car parking area place, and you will have 2 car parking open area spaces with proper electric units for your car parking. And right beside that, first you have your open area space for you to sit, or you can design this however you like. Now, because the entire villa has a lot of spaces for you to have a lot of plants and everything, so you can entirely design your villa space however you like. Now, we will be entering inside the villa. As you can see, your door system is going to have a lot of proper lock-in system. So if you want, you can place your finger over here. There's a PIN code verification as well. A lot of things for your safety reasons. Now, as we enter inside, first you have a small open window here given here, so you can open that as well. It can be used for your ventilation, sunlight, however you like, and this open area space of your villa can be used to add your shoe rack or a sitting sofa here for your shoes, however you like. Now, as we enter, we first have our living area, and you can see your living area already looks very luxurious because it has a double heighted feet ceiling if you look that from here. Not just that, but you have a lot of space on this corner of your living area as well. So you can really add a large TV if you wish to. You have proper electric units, AC units given in your living area as well. And the balcony that was shown outside has a proper entrance from this side as well. So you can directly come outside of your balcony again, which directly and easily leads you to your car parking area as well. And right in front of your living area, you will have a separate small area made for you, so you can turn that into your puja corner, or you can turn it however you choose to. And the entire flooring that has been given inside your house is proper Italian marble flooring. Now, right very close to your living area, you are going to have your kitchen. As you can see, the kitchen space is designed in such a way that it starts from this corner and your kitchen ends up to the other corner of your area. And each side of the kitchen is designed in such a way for you to add extra storage units. You can add all your electric appliances on this side. There's a space for your fridge, and if you want to add an extra fridge or a bigger space for fridge, you also again have another space unit here as well. Now here you can add extra units. If you want, you can design it that way or however you choose to. Then you have a separate utility area given for your kitchen. You can place your washing machine there. Proper storage units can be added on each corner of your kitchen. You have a proper washing sink as well. And this door can be used easily to go to your servant room. Yes, the villa also has an attached servant room inside. Now the way to your servant room is again very close from your living area, and you have a direct view access point outside of your entire locality. So this is the servant area. As you can see, there's a very small nice unit space given to add bed. There's proper lighting unit given here, and you also have a small window system given here for a good amount of ventilation, electric units placed, and the best part, it comes with an attached washroom. So the washroom again is very spacious, comes with proper toilet seat, and you again have good flooring done inside. If you notice, on both ends of your kitchen, you do have proper window systems given to you, and you can design your entire kitchen however you like. If you want, you can add an exhaust chimney or design it whichever way you like. Now, as we move forward, we will first have our dining area placed on this side. So this area specifically can be used for dining. So if you want, you can elongate the table for your guest or design it however you like. And if you notice this side, and again an extra space unit has been designed in this area very beautifully. So if you want, you can add extra seats here for your kids, or you can design that however you like. Now, this dining area also comes with an attached washroom, so it can be used by the guest or however you please. And again, the flooring has been done very nicely. You also have a touch system for your mirror, which when you activate, you will have a lighting around it. Now, on both sides of your dining area, you also have one window on that corner, and this again is your other balcony. So as you walk through here, you will again notice that it's extremely large space which goes all the way till there, and it gives you direct access to outside of your villa and to the entire villa space side community. Not just that, but if you want, you can design your backyard however you like. You can add extra plants all the way from there till here, and again this entire route connects you back to your living area, to your car parking place and everything else. Now, coming back inside, so your first room is going to be placed right here on the ground floor, which will be very close to your living area. So if you want, you can turn this room for your guest, or if you want, you can turn this into your kids' room. As you can see, this is also very extremely spacious, enough amount for you to change or design it however you like. You can place your TV on this side. You have extra storage units to be added, and this also comes again with an attached balcony. Now the best part about this balcony is it places you exactly outside of your house, very close to your door entrance and your entire gated community. So it's a very open space balcony, and this room also comes with a very spacious attached washroom again. So you have a glass partition area for proper shower system. There has been proper ventilation system given, very ceramic floor tilings given, electric units placed, and again this mirror also, as you can see, has a touch system. So when activated, you can place your lightings there. Now the room also has a separate small window system which again can be opened, and it gives you direct view access point to your backyard. Now the house has total of 3 floors, so this is going to be your ground floor, and now we're going to go on our first floor. As you can see, your first floor again has a small space over here given. So if you want, you can place your painting on this side, add extra lightings, and this small area can also be used to add a small flower pot, or if you want, you can add a small chair or a couch as you wish to. Now, as we enter, as you can see, a huge mirror has been placed here. So if you want, you can design the house this way, or it's changeable if you want to shift the room, design it, so the house can again be recreated or constructed. Now first, as we enter, we have our common washroom. So this can be used for your guest or for your kids, and as you can see, there's a proper partition given in the washroom for your shower system, which has proper ventilation system very close to your shower system. Then we have our basin here, and again all of your washrooms have these activated touch screen for your mirror for your lightings. Now coming to our second bedroom, if you can see, this room also has proper 2 window systems. So this is going to be your normal window again, which you can of course open and get a direct access view to your backyard and your gated community. This side of the room has been designed for your wardrobe, proper storage units, design it however you like. One more speciality about the house is that all the AC units are placed in a very unique way, so you do not need to drill for electric points or whatever you like. Then this side of the room can be again have space to add TV or however you wish to, and each side of the room has proper electric units, so if you want, you can add extra cameras or anything as you wish to. Now this is very small standing European like style balcony design, which again gives you direct access to the entire other side of your gated community. Now, as we move forward, right very close to that, you will have your other room. That's your third room. So this can be used as a multi-room, or you can turn this into your mini theater, your office working space, your drawing space, or a study space for your kids as well, because it is extremely spacious starting all the way from here till there. And this room has total of 3 different window system. So this is going to be your normal window, which again you can open and use it however you like. And then on both ending corners of your room, you will have your again small balcony view. So which as you open, you directly get placed to your outside villa gated community. Now this side of your balcony is very unique. It has an open door system for your balcony, but it's the same. You get direct view access. So you have two elongated balconies on both sides in this room. And for your safety reasons, railings have been added in each of your balcony. We will be going on to the third floor. So your third floor again has a very open terrace-like space. As you can see, this is going to be the terrace area which covers all the way from there. You have direct access viewpoint to the entire community from here. You also see the Aditya Ram Palace from here. So this is the other side of your terrace. So if you want, you can design this into a mini cozy family area. You can add a lot of couches here. You can add a lot of flower pots, or design this however you like. And then there are separate small unit corners also still left. So if you want, you can add an extra washroom, common washroom here as well. So this is going to be your common washroom that is placed over here. As you can see, ventilation system have been given, proper wash basin is there, and the flooring again has been done very nicely. You also have electric unit placed right in front of your terrace. So if you want, you can add an extra table there as well. Again, this corner also can be used to design however you like. You can place extra flower pot, paintings, or however you choose to. Now, before going into our master bedroom, let me quickly tell you what Housey exactly does for you. You see, when you go to Housey's website, you will find all the information that you need about the project, like also give you actual location tour of the project, the pros and cons of the project, EMI, down payment options, exclusive pricing of the project. Not just that, but on our website, you will also find a 360 virtual tour of the project. And if you wish to come for a site visit, which is completely free, or you want to schedule it, you can click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below, or you can go to www.housey.com and you can get all the information there. Let's move to our master bedroom. So this is going to be your master bedroom. As you can already notice and understand that your master bedroom is comparatively extremely spacious, and this corner of your master bedroom, you have a separate window system. Now this window is different from your other windows. It extends extremely large to the end, and it gives you direct access viewpoint to the outside area of other villas. If you want, you can add railings, design it for your safety reasons, however you choose to. Electric units again have been placed, so your TV can come here, your extra storage unit for the room also can come here. Now, the other good part about your master bedroom is that you will have a private attached balcony here, which again gives you a very nice access view directly at the Aditya Ram Palace. Like you can see. So your balcony again is extremely spacious. From there till here, you can add a lot of plants, have this seated area turn into even your small office area, your drawing area, a good amount of sunlight coming from all the way there, good source of ventilation. So design it however you like. Now, the third best part about your master bedroom is going to be that you will have another open space for your walk-in closet. As you can see, this can be turned into your walk-in closet. You can design it however you choose to. And if you want, you can add an extra dressing area room there as well, or turn that into your separate mirror corner. Now, entering the washroom, your attached washroom is again a completely spacious, and you have a big mirror system. Again, this mirror will also, once be activated, have a lighting system, so you can change that. Now, your mirror again is partitioned for your shower system separately, which comes with proper ventilation system. Again, here the flooring has been done very nicely with a good amount of sealing given. Like I mentioned about the double height feet ceiling, so you can have a direct access viewpoint from here to your living space, and glasses have been added here as well, again for your safety reasons. So everyone, this was the actual villa tour for Aditya Ram Palace City. Hope you liked the video. For such more walkthrough videos, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.